In this Facebook Pixel Shopify video, I'll show you how to set up Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store so you can run Facebook conversion ad on your Shopify store, collect important data on your Shopify store, and then sell more and make money. No fluff, let's go right to the Shopify Facebook Pixel setup tutorial. So here I am in my Shopify store, and once you're logged in, come to the left side here and click the apps option here. Come over to the search bar here and just type in Facebook and Instagram. I'll scroll and find Facebook here. So here is it. Click it. Install. Click Add Sales Channel. Here at Start Setup, we are to connect an existing Facebook page and business manager. Though you can create a new Facebook page for this purpose, but the problem is that sometimes new accounts get flagged. So if you have an old Facebook business page, it's always better. So I'll go ahead and do that. Connect account, continue. I will add a Facebook page here, so you can also create a new one. Select your Facebook business account and connect. Here, choose maximum and then save. So here am I. You can see that all my existing Facebook pixels are here, and I can go ahead and select the one that I want to use for my Shopify account. But it's always better, of course, to create a new one if you don't have a new one already created from your Facebook manager. So I'll come here and create new, confirm, I will agree here, and then submit for review. Done. So now that we have successfully created our pixel, I'll go back to my Facebook business account. Okay, I'll come here and click settings, and then I'll find pixel. Of course, you can also get here directly by using the URL business.facebook.com/settings/pixel. I will leave the link in the video description. So I'm going to select the right pixel here. And this is the pixel I just created a while ago in my Shopify store. Open in Event Manager, Test Events. Then what you're going to do here is to enter your custom Shopify store URL. So I'm going to copy and paste in here. Open website. So just return back to your Shopify and click through the different actions so that we can test and confirm that this Facebook pixel we just installed are firing correctly. If it does, you will see that the green indicator here will show that the pixel is now active and working correctly, and then it's beginning to pick data from your Shopify store. So this is how to connect Facebook pixel to Shopify. And once you're connected, you can then start running your Facebook conversion ad and using your data collected by your pixel to run more detailed and retarget ads. And that is all about it. So please like this video, and for more marketing tutorials like this one, subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert notification so you get to know when I release new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.